Hey everyone, Joe here. I've talked to everyone today about your camera flash brightness, in particular the guide number and how that can be used to give you an idea of how bright a flash should be. Now, for example, the Yongnuo, YN563 here, has a guide number of 58. So, if you don't know much about guide number, it is composed of, say, the distance times f4, which gives you a guide number. For example, a guide number 58, if you divide that by 4, saying using aperture of f4, it tells you that this lens can give you a proper exposure at 14.5 meters. So, for example, you take 14.5 meters, say times aperture of f4, you get the guide number of 58. And that's how the guide number is chosen for this. So, this particular flash can give you a proper exposure at 14.5 meters when at 100% power. And that is also when it is zoomed out to 105. So that gives you a much narrower, stream of light. Okay. Now, the Canon 430EX2 I have here has a guide number 43, which lets you know that you can use this flash at 10.7 meters, or roughly 35 feet. Okay, let's say you want to shoot an aperture f2.8 because you have a 70 to 200 from the Nikon and Canon that has a bright f2.8 aperture, and you want to get a further distance. Well, how far can you shoot? If you take that guide number of 58 and divide that by f2.8 or just 2.8, that gives you 20.7. So therefore, if you're using a bright guide number 58, you can shoot up to 20.7 meters, which is a whopping 68 feet from your subject, and still get a proper exposure. So, hope everybody liked this little tip. Hope it's informed everybody, let you know how a guide number is, what it's actually used for, and how it can be used for you to determine how bright your flash is when you're buying one. Now, my particular opinion is get the brightest you can, which is normally about 58 to 60 on modern flashes. And I hope everybody liked this video. If you did, hit the like button down the bottom. If you haven't subscribed yet, please take the time to subscribe. It's free, it's for you, lets you know when I release new videos. Until next time, everyone, thank you for watching.